Got a couple of little bitty doodads to do here this morning. So the two things I have to do is this camera here sits on my front porch. It hasn't been mounted, so it's just been sitting there and the birds knock it down. My wife wants me to get that done today. This is the little mount for it. We're going to mount it on the front porch, poking out the front door. And the other little one hopefully won't take very long here. Please like and subscribe to these videos if you like what you see. If you have time, drop a comment, leave a comment. I'd love to interact with everybody a little more. I'll do my best to answer anything or to reply to any messages. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate you. This front door shuts okay and locks, but the latch is not quite lined up. And it makes it difficult to open and close. That's because this right here is not quite in the right place, and this door frame is a little bit messed up. So I'm gonna just take my file that down just a little bit. Don't think it needs much, it just needs a little indent there because this thing is round at the bottom and the top. That might not be quite enough, but it's already way better. So oh yeah, that was really simple. In about 30 seconds there, I made the wife happier. So that's good for us. Got a couple of screws that actually came with it. We'll take this out, mount it on the porch here. It's usually in this corner here. I do have some more work to do to this porch, never ending. So I'm just gonna put this towards the door just a little bit here, put this little mount on here. I will be having to replace this wood at some point here. Kind of a booger to pop on here sometimes. It's on there good. Point at the front door where we want it. I just gotta find the app right there in front of me. And there it is. Pointed at the front door. But I think that would be good for us. You can see coming in the porch here. You can see anybody coming to the front door or packages, and I believe that'll work. What I got for you today, I just had an hour here before I went to work. I just had a couple of little doodads on my list. I was able to accomplish them in just a few minutes here, and now I can enjoy my coffee before I go to work. We'll catch you all on the next one. Thanks for watching.